एवरीबॉडी स्टैंडर्ड 4 सब्जेक्ट है आपका ईवीएस चैप्टर 2 है अवर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली। आपका 1 चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुआ है फैमिली एंड रिलेशंस। आज आपका न्यू चैप्टर है अवर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली जो मैं आज आपको एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी। ठीक है, द पीपल वी लिव विथ आर द पार्ट ऑफ अवर इमीडिएट फैमिली। फैमिली मेम्बर्स who live separately are the part of our extended family. We meet our extended family members on occasions which may be sad or happy. Uncle and aunt are extended family members. They are fun to be with and can teach us many good things. In an extended family, all the members follow the rules and rituals of the family, even though they live in different places. This is known as following the family traditions. When relatives and family members meet, we learn about family traditions or sanskar. People hold special functions to celebrate important occasions. There are special ceremonies to welcome new babies into the world and other ceremonies for children at different stages of their life. नेमिंग सेरेमनी। आज रोहित क्या प्रेटी इन हिज न्यू ड्रेसेस। आज रोहित रेडी हो गया था न्यू ड्रेस पहन के। ही इज़ वेयरिंग अ ब्यूटीफुल टी शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर्स। उसने क्या पहना था? ब्यूटीफुल टी शर्ट और ट्राउजर्स। टुडे हिज लिटिल सिस्टर इज 11 days ओल्ड एंड इट इज़ हर नामकरण और नेमिंग सेरेमनी। आज उसकी जो सिस्टर थी वो 11 days की हो गई थी, इसलिए आज उसका नामकरण और नेमिंग सेरेमनी का फंक्शन था। ही डिसाइडेड टू नेम हर ज्योति। उन्होंने डिसाइड किया था उसका नाम ज्योति रखना है। दे हैव इन्वाइटेड मोस्ट ऑफ देयर रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स। उन्होंने इन्वाइट किया था रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स को। रिलेटिव्स फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द फैमिली, हर मदर्स एंड हर फादर्स साइड आर प्रेजेंट। रोहित नाना एंड नानी हैव कम फ्रॉम रुड़की। वो कहाँ से आए थे? रुड़की से। Rohit's uncle Harshit and aunt Nidhi and their 2 children have come all the way from Meerut. वो मीरठ से आए थे। Rohit's uncle Satish has also arrived from USA. There is a lot of excitement and happiness in the family. Everyone is happy to meet one another. They have a lot to share and talk about. Learning from one another. Rohit is helping his mother and aunt to decorate the house. His mother has taught him about family traditions and good habits. He has made a beautiful rangoli outside the house. He learned this design from his aunt. Rohit is very fond of his uncle and aunt. They are very loving and affectionate. They have 2 daughters, Isha and Pooja. Pooja is 15 years old and very fond of music. She wants to start a music band when she is old enough. No one in the family has done this before. Isha is 18 years old. She is a engineering student. Isha कौन थी? 18 years की थी और वो engineering student थी. She will be the first female engineer in the family. उनके घर में वो first female engineer थी। Decision making in a family. Rohit likes the way his uncle, aunt and their daughters take decisions. They sit down at the table and everyone is given a chance to say what they feel. Then the best option is chosen. Is not it a good way to take an important decision? For example, Isha's parents were not very happy when she decided to study engineering. They thought she would find the course very tough. They also felt that she would not be able to live in the hostel in a different city. According to them, the profession was more suitable for men, but Isha believed that women could be good at any kind of job. When her parents realized how keen and firm Isha was, they agreed. Family tradition and values. After the ceremony is over, Rohit's family members will go to the orphanage and donate clothes and food to the children. वो कहाँ गए? ऑर्फनेज गए और वहाँ पे उन्होंने क्लोथ्स और फूड बच्चों को डोनेट किया। His grandparents had started his tradition. They feel that it is important to help those who are not lucky as they are, because God loves those who serve their fellow men. They do this on every special occasion. Rohit has given away all his old books to the children there. उसके पास जो ओल्ड बुकें थे उसने क्या किया, हैज़ गिवन अवे ऑल हिज ओल्ड बुक्स टू द चिल्ड्रन में बांट दी. If good values are passed on within a family, society will slowly change for the better. The world will become a better place to live in. Elders advise younger family members and share their experience, both good and bad. We learn a lot from your family. Here are few values that we should learn. Wish elders and pay them respect. Speak softly and sweetly. Participate in family gatherings. Look after guests. Share worries and problems with elders. Take the advice and guidance of elders. Means हमें wish elders pay them, उनको क्या करना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए. स्पीक हमको बोलना सॉफ्टली और स्वीटली बोलना चाहिए. और पार्टिसिपेट फैमिली गैदरिंग पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए फैमिली गैदरिंग्स में. लुक आफ्टर गेस्ट को भी देखने चाहिए. शेयर वरीज एंड प्रॉब्लम्स विद एल्डर्स. कुछ अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं वो भी शेयर करनी चाहिए. अवर फैमिली बोथ इमीडिएट एंड एक्सटेंडेड इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट अवर लिव्स. वी मस्ट ट्राई एंड मीट each other regularly and maintain good relationship. We must also try and respect our family's tradition and values. Adopting orphan children. Some families are different. Some children do not live with the parents they were born to, but live with their adoptive parents. These parents are called foster parents. Means कई बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनके बॉर्न होने से उनके माँ बाप क्या होते हैं, मीन्स डेथ हो जाती है. उनको फिर क्या एडॉप्ट क्या करते हैं, तो उसको उनके जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं एडॉप्टेड पेरेंट्स, उनको क्या बोलते हैं, फॉस्टर पेरेंट्स. क्या बोलते हैं, फॉस्टर पेरेंट्स. एंड ऑर्फन इज अ चाइल्ड हु डज नॉट हैव पेरेंट और वॉज डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय देम. Such children live in orphanage. Sometimes people who do not have children adopt child from a orphanage. Sometimes people adopt a child in spite of having children to give a good life to an orphan. अभी इसके जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है वो मैं करवा देती हूँ आपको. The people you live with in your home are a part of your immediate family. Other family members who live separately are a part of your extended family. Number 2 point है, people hold special functions to celebrate important days and occasion. We must respect and follow family traditions and values. ये चैप्टर आपका अभी यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसके आपको हार्ड वर्ड्स करवाऊँगी और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर और क्वेश्चंस करवाऊँगी जो आपको करने हैं. ये चैप्टर आपको रीड करना है, ठीक है.